Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're talking about cleaning your room fast. I know a lot of us are so busy and we don't have time to really deep clean and get all the spaces that we want to clean, but I'm going to show you guys how you can make your room clean fast and easy. There's always some extra clothes laying around, so you want to start off by folding and putting away the ones that are clean, like your pajamas or any clothes that you want to put away that you didn't put away the night before. And then you want to go ahead and grab a garbage bag. This is what I do. I walk around the room and I grab all the garbage and I put it in a bag so I don't have to walk back and forth to the garbage can. Next, I go around and I pick up anything that does not belong in my room, like the kids' toys or their clothes, and sometimes I have things that have to be put in the bathroom. I then pick up the dirty laundry and I put it in the hamper, and I also put away my chargers. They usually lie around in the night, so during the day I fold up everything nicely and I put it by my bedside because we want to have easy access on them in the night. The next place I tackle is my dresser. I go ahead and I organize everything nicely again because these are things that I use, like my creams, in the night. So I go ahead and I organize everything nicely, so I make sure that I have picked up everything that does not belong in the room, and I go ahead and I put it in its proper place. This could also be a good way to go through all your stuff, and as you're organizing it, you can go through it and see what you really use and what you don't use, and you can do a little bit of decluttering as well. After putting everything away, it is time to make the bed. This is a good time to go ahead and change your sheets if you do need to. I did not need to change my sheets at this time, but it's usually the best time to go ahead and strip the bed and change your sheets and do whatever else you need to do, freshen up your mattress. But I did not need to do this because, again, this is just a way to clean your room very fast when you are running on the clock. You got no time to really perfect anything. So once the bed is made, I do a little dusting. I've shared this in my previous videos. I use the lint roller to go ahead and collect all the dust that's on my headboard or on the lamps. Another way that I like to clean my headboard is to use my vacuum attachment, and I just suck up the dust that way. Then I grab my all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and I just go around to all the furniture in the room, and then I just do a quick wipe down. My furniture is very dark, so the dust definitely shows on there very well. So I like to go ahead and I do this every morning or every other morning just to keep up with the dust. And if you have artificial plants in your room, you want to make sure you also dust them because they do collect a lot of it. My little plants on the side tables, they have a lot of dust in them, so I shake them off a little bit just to get off the dust, and my lamps as well. Just something so fast. You want to do this quickly and effectively. Taking 5 to 10 minutes to clean a room in your home, or doing something so simple as dusting or vacuuming, is such a good way to make sure that your house stays clean. You will be amazed at how much you can get done in your home when you do a speed cleaning. And the last step is to take care of the floors. I needed to vacuum my room and it took me about a minute or so, but if your floors are cleaned, this is a step that will save you time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video to give you some cleaning motivation, to show you can clean pretty fast any space in your home. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.